buys on gold since
Uh,
you broke the daily
yeah.
highs, or
y-
because of the news you're not going to get in?
I was looking for buys here on the celery play, but I got in late. But hold on, I'm trying to figure out why my thing is echoing. Celery play, but I got in late. But hold on, I'm trying to figure out why my thing is echoing. You guys hear an echo, or is it just like me?
I think it's just on your side. I don't hear an echo.
I gotcha. I hear an echo in my headphones.
Uh,
Definitely hear an echo.
it could be someone that's has their sound coming out of their computer, and then their mic's picking it back up. I don't hear an echo.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Oh. Right.
Figure it out.
Hold on, hold on. Right. Hold on, hold on. You know why? I think Marcos has me on his screen. You know why? I think Marcos has me
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, Marcos, if you can, take me off the Discord, off your Discord live, because it's echoing the stream. Take me off the Discord, off your Discord live, because it's echoing the stream. Oh, this music is too crazy. All right. Yo, God forbid this shit start as copyright. Yo, God forbid this shit start as copyright. I'm a bit out of it, Chad. I don't feel well. I fucking pierced my hand with a nail yesterday. Feel well. I fucking pierced my hand with a nail.
Damn, how'd you do that?
Yeah, a little fucking nail mark.
How'd you do
Just fucking around in my boy's warehouse. He's got fucking around in my boy's warehouse. He's got like a man cave warehouse that he just rents
Ah, hell
just
yeah.
strictly for just keep his own toys in there. Can't keep them shits in the
Yeah.
house. Just keep his own toys in there. Can't keep them shits. Boy's got a Tarzan swing hanging like from the rafters. Boy's got a Tarzan. It's crazy. Hanging like from the rafters. Boy's got a Tarzan. It's crazy.
That sounds lit. How
How come I'm hearing my fucking self? What's going on? How come I'm hearing my fucking self? What's going on?
Marcos is still sharing the screen. I think it's because of that. I don't know.
Hold on. So I don't hear you guys. I just exited the Discord. I just want to see if shit's still echoing. If it's not, then it's definitely the Discord. Yeah, no, I don't hear my echo. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for Marcos to turn that off. Then I'll come back on Discord. Sorry, guys, I can't hear you right now. There an echo? Hello, hello. Okay, perfect. I think it's gone. Marcos left. Like, oh, you don't want my echo? I'm out. Why you leave, boy? Ooh, might get a closure here right now. Oh, the 30 is a higher closure. Ha. We need
Yeah,
that.
the 30, I'm looking for like 1833.
Yeah.
Somewhere around there. I don't really know.
On the
At
30,
least above 18.
right now we need to close above here. If we don't close above here, we wait on the hourly to close above here. Okay.
Yeah, we got for sure close above 1830. Yeah. This 30 to keep driving.
I don't get it.
If you close a bit below, you might have 1-to-1 at the next resistance at 1832.3. We have to retrace a bit.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to take anything above here. That's range 2 above here for me. I mean, anything below here. Anything above I'll take because that's range 2. And then if we come back down here, I'll take stuff. Support. Resistance. Creating a range. And close
Yeah,
above.
I mean, it rejected right off where I want to close or above, so.
This is what we're going to do. We're going to set this back to the hourly. And the idea here will be that this next 30 will close bear, but still above here and respecting 1831. Wait, no, where are we? 1830.90. 1830.9. If we respect that, but still close above it, even though if we close bear on the 30, I will take buys. Even better if we closed above here on the 30 and the hourly. Above the 30 resistance. But as long as the hourly closes above, we're good to go. So we got about 30 minutes for the ADM candle.
Yeah.
I just don't want to go through this over here. I don't want this to happen to us. Drives, but I don't want this to happen.
Yeah, I don't want it to break highs and then we end up,
I'm fine.
closing bearish. respecting 1830. And then we're stuck in.
Yeah, in the range. But if we want this to drive, kind of. We want it to drive and pull back because that will clear out some range for us, leave a wick for us that we can take advantage of.
Yeah. Yeah, what it's doing right now is perfect.
FOMO. Would it be? Oh shit, we haven't looked at GJ today. Whee!
GJ's in a nasty range right now, but I'm kind of looking for buys above like
Ooh.
163.382.
Look at that. Last month closed bear. But it respected the zone this month. The seller replay up, and now we're back in range. Huh. We flip bear, we're gonna drive down and fill the rest of this wick on the previous month.
Yeah.
Which would be the weekly low right here. Which would mean yo, is this copyright music? I'm gonna get marked.
Good morning. Why is everybody
Good morning.
silent?
What was that?
Why is everybody so silent?
I'm just kind of chilling. I don't know. I've been up since like 1.
I thought my
barely
Discord
slept.
was muted or something.
No, it's not.
I fell asleep so early last night, at like 6 p.m. And I woke up at like 1.
Fell asleep at 3, no, at 1, then woke up at 2, at 4, 5, that's it, like I barely slept.
Yeah. I was at the beach all day, and for some reason the sun always makes me so tired. And then I was drinking too, so.
For some reason, I'm so tired after drinking all day at the beach. Such a strange.
I know. It's I passed out the second I got home. It's the sun. It was like 100 degrees yesterday.
Stupid sun. Okay, so this is what we want right here. Want to break into this range and drive up. We'll be looking at rejection.
If you get both good closures on gold and GJ, will you take gold instead, or GJ because of the news? On gold, you have a nice
That's a good
range.
question. What time is our news? Let me look. Hold on. What do we have? All right. So if I get a trade on gold within the first 10 minutes of the new hourly, I'll do it. After that, after 8:10, I probably won't take a trade. Gold, see, every time it stays above here, it drives up. It stays above here, it drives up. Stays above here, it drives up. So if it stays above here now, it should drive up. Question is news, and we'll react to the news when it happens. But overall, I believe I'd rather take gold.
Yeah, gold looks way nicer. That GJ range looks nasty that it's in right
The
now.
thing
Gold
is
is the cleanest.
gold, yeah, gold is cleaner here. Just the news. Plus gold, we broke the daily highs, the previous daily highs.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the weekly highs, I think.
The weekly is very weird here because there's a massive gap.
You know what would be funny? If we are at break even before news, and news just pushes up to fill the whole range.
I don't mind. Let it. We'll trade the range after it's pushed up and comes back. But just like there's a.
The
That's
only
crazy.
thing you gotta
20
beware
pip
is 1837.
Has it
On
happened
gold.
to you? Like you're at break even before news, and then it just keeps pushing your direction and fills the whole range.
Oh yeah, many times. Many times.
Yeah.
Like this
That's
big?
when you go. That's when you go.
Oh.
Oh.
Whoa!
You ever seen people do that? That's when that happens.
A range this big or like 60, 70?
I've been pushed like 50 pips past my TP on a on a slip. So I've been entered, and on news, when news hits, the shit flew like 50 pips
But
past
you
my
also
TV.
want to have your stop loss set to break even because it could go the opposite way just as fast.
Exactly. The goal is to really be out of the trade, or not be in the
Yeah.
market, or not be exposed to. You could be risk free in the markets, or have your stops at break even and still take massive losses with slippage on news.
You can get slipped on break even for sure.
So the goal is not to expose yourself to risk during the you know,
News.
the severely parabolic activity. Oh shit, we got a. Oh, sorry, chat. I completely forgot there is a chat. Paul, good morning. Ferbsta. Boy, yes. Tony Balls. I love this guy. Wow, 420. Jay. What up, y'all? Ferbsta. I don't know the title of that first song. It was on a copyright-free playlist. But honestly, I don't think that's a copyright-free playlist. So I turned it off. We'll see. We'll see if I get copyright for the first few minutes. Stream with this on my forehead. I think if you are not monetized, it doesn't matter. Exactly, but I'm monetized, so the shit matters. Doesn't matter that much, but yeah, I'll get rid of it. Eddie, I'm Kanzo. Not missing out on much, guys. So take it easy. If she's easy, take her twice. Are none of you talented, like musically wise? Like anybody here plays music? Just set up an open mic. Just play for us. Play live.
Not me.
Play live for the stream. Open mic night. Yeah, open mic through the stream would have been fire.
Karaoke.
Hey baby, good morning. What's up?
Karaoke on stream.
Has Jake Paul announced who he's fighting with? Or not yet?
We live. Will the winning streak continue? That is the question. Oh, that's terrible. Ease. We're on a 3 streak, right? We'll get to 4 today. Three straight days of dubs.
Gold is holding nicely for us to get a position, maybe.
All right. Sorry, y'all. I had to feed my kids. But let's lock it in. Let's see what happens here.
Yo, Wicks, 2 minutes.
Dos.
Gold hold it. I don't know how.
What was that?
Gold hold it for us. It didn't drive through. I thought it would.
I'm back. I was making food.
Hey, Wicks, you're going off the hourly here?
I'm going to go off the hourly. Yeah, we haven't had an hourly closure above, and I know there's a little resistance here. Right here. But I'm fine on the hourly here. This closes, I think. We'll have one of these right here. Where's my phone? Nice gladiator here. Right. How long we have? And we're not going to get a closure, which is good. Though we got a closure. Let's see how this opens, because We got news in 30 minutes. This GJ hourly has no bottom wick. Biggest dead. Tap the most recent thing here, but it's not enough. I need it to come back down. Somewhere into the zone. 25, 30 pips for a wick. EJ on the other hand. Can't take a 5 pip wick here either. Let's grab some liquidity. Go grab some liquid, yo. All right, we need gold to retrace here for about 25 pips, 30 pips to then take the rebreak of the highs if it happens within the first 10 minutes of this hour. Otherwise, we're going to wait for news, and then after news, it's the next last 15 of the 4 hours. So if so facto, we have no choice to wait for the 4-hour close. And then on GJ, we are driving breaking highs. Yeah, I mean, this could have been solid. A little bit of a steeper wick. If we rejected off the zone, I'm fine with taking just the break of the highs here. Break of the highs here. Solid. Clean candle. I can't justify this. Oh, this is nice. We had a celery play here. I didn't see this. Special. ID. Yes, sir, chat. My babysitter's here. Yep.
Wix, are you there?
No, I think he's talking to his babysitter.
Alright. My bad, everyone. I had to get the kids dressed, had to feed them, and had to get them out with the babysitter. They're still not out. They're not done eating.
Do you have buy stops on the break of the current high on gold?
No, I do not.
Or
He's
you're not
getting
gonna get in, right? Because of the news.
Yeah, I will not trade gold
Yeah.
until news.
Oh, okay. Do a
Here's the
poll. Like,
here's the thing, but like if we start getting in now, where's gold? If we're I want it to be activated at like 8:05, 8:06, have 15, 20 minutes of filling this candle. But I think we're gonna hold here until.
do you know how to do a poll
I know how to do a poll.
on
You
YouTube?
want to see how many people are in the trade?
No, like if you think it's gonna go up or down before news, like you're
Before news?
trading the news, not trading the news.
I think it's gonna go up, but I
Expectations.
also think it's gonna come crashing down hard after the news.
If you break the 30-minute high, you might fill the wick, fill the range.
Yeah, but there's 30-minute resistance right there.
After the news, yeah, if you break the 30-minute highs. That's how Raja does it. I saw it one time.
Oh, you're talking about the previous highs?
Yeah, the previous 30 minutes. If you break that high, you should go. After the news,
Yeah.
you should fill the range.
Yeah, you really should. Oh, but it's also kind of impulsy. But I do see what you're saying. If you break those highs, yeah, it's pretty clear. But
This is nice. Look, Jason, like I said, should come down, create a bottom wick for this hourly.
I'm kind of looking for sells. But
No, I'll look for sells if we get below.
425.
Yeah, no, if we get below 162.2, we'll start looking for sells. Feel this. But for now, if we break these highs, this is a range 2 breakout. We just want a bottom wick. The good thing here is we broke the highs already here, right? So if we break the highs that we just broke, it's nothing but clean traffic.
Yeah.
Alrighty then. Wow, 80% think bullish. I don't play with that 830 news. I don't play that. Well, that's why you are you. We all do us, right? You do you. I do me. Today, you are you. That is truer than true. There's no one alive who is youer than you.
It's hard because if you don't break the 30-minute high, that can count as a wick rejection, no? On gold.
It doesn't really matter what's gonna happen here because we'll see highs and
Yeah,
lows.
we're not gonna trade it.
We'll see highs and lows broken and something
yeah.
respected or something not respected, and then we'll trade.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't even vote in the poll.
I said bearish.
Taking a trade on gold now would be suicide, man. 15 minutes left till news.
Well, not necessarily. You could be on the right side of it.
Yeah.
Buys and sells. Buys and sells.
You can never go wrong with just hitting buy and sell at the same time, and whenever it gets clicked.
Yo, Wix, you gonna stream for FOMC at 2 p.m.?
No, I will not be home.
Right.
I'll be out and about. I got plans for the day today. And I said I was gonna stay longer today, but I switched some plans around from Friday, from Thursday. So I might leave earlier today, and then go out, have fun, and then have a free day tomorrow, and not have to do shit.
Last FOMC, you had plenty of positions, no? After the closures, like 30 minutes or 1 hour after the speech.
I think last few FOMCs we had a lot of volume.
Yeah.
I watched the last one.
After stream.
It was my first one.
That was your first FOMC?
Yeah.
Welcome. All right.
Yeah, they're fun if you get on the right side.
Oh wow. .7 forecast, so they're forecasting better numbers than
Wix.
Yep.
Mr. Danvo said something. The signals.
Yeah, I know, I saw that. I can, it's 8:17.
Yeah.
Yo, who the fuck is on my door all day, yo? Anybody else took those signals?
I didn't.
Okay. Okay. So. I think if I called that on stream, there'd be a lot of angry people here right now because management wouldn't be on point.
Well, by the time I saw his signal, he was like, "Who stops the break even?"
Oh, no, no, no,
I'm
no.
like-
We saw it happening. What do you mean? We saw the rebreak of the highs. The thing is, once we do that and we take that buy, people are holding it. You know what I mean? I can tell them close this wick, close at 10, close. People are holding it. Oh, you took an entry and it's a shitty entry because look, it reversed right away. You didn't even get 10 pips. But you have to understand what the fuck's going on in the market. It just wasn't worth it there. Give it. I mean, it might be worth. It depends. It's all you know, it's personal. It's a solo sport.
I didn't even see it because I don't watch the 15-minute time frame.
It's not about the 15. The goal, the hourly reflip broke its own high. I believe. Oh yeah, no, he had the 15 here too. It's alright. GJ, wow. Let's get a closure respecting this. Alright, this is good.
We got news in 5 minutes, right?
Yep.
Yes.
We start bullish, forming bullish candles here. We can start looking for an onion play.
After news, you might have GJ self. The 4 hour is gonna close bearish if you close like this.
Yeah, I've been watching GJ.
GJ's bullish.
You might have.
Like a fake out.
Yeah, GJ sells maybe.
Yeah.
After you get a closure on the 4 hour.
GJ's bullish on the 4 hour. Bullish on the 2 hour. Respecting the 1
but
hour.
getting rejected from that previous 4 hour support.
Maybe, but it's still respecting these lows. It might be closing bearish on the 1 hour, but it's still respecting these lows. We got to close back in range here. And then we got to close below here to take the position. I'm not going to trade this range because I don't know if it's going to fake out or give us the wick to come up. But once we get here, we are coming down. I'm not going to play around in here. It's a range 2 for me, so I'm not going to take the range 2 fake out. I'll take the range 2 breakout or the range 1 fake out. News in a few minutes. And you know what I can do actually?
What?
Kids are gone, sitter's gone, pool guy's gone. My the neighbors.
Smoke in the house.
No, I smoke in the house regardless, but like I ain't gotta worry about like no one disrupting me right now. And the neighbors' kids are gone too because that last break that was a whole bunch. That was like 12 neighbors' kids. I'm like, yo, it's 8 in the morning. They're like, yeah, it's summer, it's June. And they're like so obnoxious, like these little girls. They're literally like, are you her dad? I'm like, yeah. You're like, oh. Like, what?
Oh.
Like, who the fuck are you? Oh, yeah. If you're in a signal channel, don't call out the signals here, please. There's a reason there's a signals group. So, like,
yeah,
you
that's why I didn't.
You got to be part of
That's
the
why I didn't
signals
say
group to take care of the signals, all right? So, yeah, if you're
that's
getting.
why I was like, yo, Don said something. I didn't want to say that.
Well, yeah, if you're saying that, it's obviously a signal. So, Don said something. He
Oh,
only
dude.
says signals. That's
Yeah,
what I'm
but
saying.
you didn't know what way he was going to send it. Sells or buys.
I'm just saying, that's his signal, that's his biz. So.
Yeah.
All right, I'm ending the poll 67-33. Wix is talking the zoot. All right. Retro, hey Wix, how are you? I'm good, man, because I choose to be, right? 'Cause I choose to be. How about you guys? You good? Too complicated at the moment, right? Because you're pursuing profits. That's why it's so complicated. Let me tell you something. Pursue passion more than profit. Pursue your passion. Make this make this something you love. It's not gonna be that complicated. You're gonna be mentally in control. There you go. I would love to get the signals, but it's not worth for me. Asia, I'm sleeping, and London, I'm at work. So no time to take the trades. I don't know. I make time.
Signals at work sounds like the perfect thing.
What if my passion is profit, but profit is not an action. Profit is the result. Profit is the byproduct of your actions. You can't have passion for a byproduct, you know, you have to have passion for the action. Like profits are just like a side effect of you being successful, but are you trading successfully, but your passion has got to be in being right, figuring this shit out, making sure it's not too complicated at the moment.
How much are your spreads right now, Wix?
Do you even have spread? GJ, it's 3. 2.4, 2.8, 2.6, 1, 3. It's jumping.
Yeah.
We got the
Gold
news.
right now is
We
like
got news
1
here.
pip for me.
Yeah, gold 1.2, 2.6, 2.8, 2.4. It's just jumping. Let it chill.
Yeah. DJ's kind of jumping, like 1 to 3 pips for me.
130 close.
Everything came out so
See, this
bad.
is nice. Like we were saying, the 1 hour is gonna come down, make a bottom wick for the. It didn't. It barely got there, but it made this bottom wick. This is good. If the 1 hour flips, but how big are the stops here? We might have a wick special here, right? And if we break these highs on the next candle, if this one closes bear, respecting this, because right now the stops are massive, I believe. 64
yeah, like
pips
60 pips.
for 100. Because look at this clean range, right? It's all clean for 100. We had some play in here, but all of it got cleared out, right? Like, look at these clean candles. 64, 100. Let's get down to business.
I wish we made a bottom wick when we opened up.
Close below here on the 30, close above on this one. If this 30 closes above here, it's a fake out. We can just take the 30 down, up to the highs here and then expect the rudder. Regardless, we need this 30 to close and see how it closes. Oh, 15, broken range, sell replay. And the news on gold. Hourly still hasn't broken the high. Filled the wick, but hasn't broken the high. What were the news results? Forex Factory, go over there. Let's look.
They were awful. They came out so bad.
Hold on, let me reload this. Oh, wow.
Like really bad.
So everything was bad. So gold should be flying here.
We just have no bottom wick on the 30. It sucks.
But the 1 hour does. And if the 1 hour closes like
Yeah.
this, we're taking buys on the next hour.
Yeah.
It's 8:30. I gotta run by 9:30. Let's go, GJ. Get us something. Let's go gold. Get us something. Yeah, for me, honestly, when I got into trading, I literally made this the number one priority. I had wife, kids, business, is, and regardless of who the fuck called, fucking IRS, my wife, the kids,
I like how the IRS was first.
like whoever the fuck calls, I don't give a damn. Uncle Sam, like, yo, the lottery, like, you know. I'd be like, if I'm on the charts, yo ass would have to leave me alone, and this was number one. I went through a couple of years of like my family hating me, like my kids, like the younger ones, they weren't around when I started, but the older one and my wife, like they don't understand this shit. They don't get it. They've never asked about it. They just, when you start, there's no profits, and there's just a lot of, infighting with yourself, like, and like you're trying to be the best you, and like, how can I, like, be the best me for them if I'm trying to be the best me for me, and I can't do that. So there's a lot of discovery going on.
Yeah.
But on the road to discovery, like, it was all good intentions, but the road to hell is paved with good intentions. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like, but until I like went through that discovery, I just couldn't offer me to everybody else until I'm me. So
yeah, I'm at the same point.
So
right
work, school, play, family. Like for me, everything took a back seat.
Yeah.
Everything, like every relationship, everything suffered. Everything truly suffered. All other aspects of life suffered while I took on this endeavor. So if you're going through that, you're not alone. Everybody goes through this shit.
Yeah. Just gotta trust the process. It'll get better, you
know what? There's a really dope thing on my IG, on my Instagram. Hold on. Let's see if I can pull it up.
You pull out.
See that?
Is it on your story?
You guys see that or no? The secret to happiness is freedom. This right here is freedom. The secret to freedom is courage. All of your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. Rid your life of distractions. Don't focus on relationships. That's a big one, right? Don't listen to the people who say stop. Focus on you and your business. Everything else can come later, as it's easiest to get later than this. Understand? Everything else can be achieved later in life. But success in this and in profitability and consistency will be really hard to achieve later in life. Focus on you, and the freedoms will come later. That's my motivation.
Yeah, that is that is deep.
I mean, I don't know. If that don't motivate you to be a better you just so you could be better you for everyone else, I don't know what will. Fuck the money. Everything else is just, it just falls into place and come into a better place. Once you're able, once you found yourself and you're able to offer that to others. I never met a dollar that I hate. I don't know. I don't know. You can't hate friends, but not money. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know which way you mean that, but there's definitely, like, there might be money there that's not worth making. If that makes sense. Alright, back to trading, as this is a trading stream. Now let's see how we close here. Last 15 of the 4 hour. Yeah, closing back in range for now.
Don's probably waiting for this 4 hour to close, then the 30-minute bottom wake, right? To then take a 4 hour trade.
Like, this looks really nice. I'd rather be in gold. Plus, if we drive up here, it'll fall in line with us range 2 breakouts, with the fundamentals of bad numbers for the dollar. And GJ, if it fakes out and goes down, it'll make sense. Bad numbers for the dollar should mean a little bit of bearish volume, bullish volume in the yen, which means bearish volume in the pound yen. Last month, I made the same amount of money with trading that I make with my 9-to-5 job. That was a real good feeling. Yes, but your 9-to-5 job will make you that amount again next month. Will your trading? Once trading starts doing that consistently, and your job ain't shit, you have double the income. You just doubled your salary. Shit. But if you really want to get rid of the job, now you can. Now you got choices that not making money doesn't give you. all my 9 to 5 money every month in my trading account. I have enough money still in the bank account. I hope to reach this year in my trading account. God bless. Good shit. Proud of you. That's good. Very, very good. Most people do not see those numbers. If you can work and just put a little away out of every check, you'll eventually have enough in your trading account to support yourself. Yes. And time work on your discipline, stick to your plan. Yeah, and just work. Don't put the stress of this being the main income, the main thing in your life. Don't put that stress on yourself, because that's going to affect your trading. But most people do not have the financial literacy to build any kind of account to 100K savings and checking, let alone trading. Did you get into trading when you were already successful? I got into trading by one of my employees, one of the dudes. So there was a dude on here yesterday that we were talking about, sending in charts. I was like, that's the dude that introduced me to trading. Like, he used to work for me in one of my businesses. and that's how I got into trading. He was like, well, you know what? I quit. I'm going to do this trading thing.
That's funny.
Much how it was.
Is he still doing really good with it?
Yeah, I think he runs his own stuff. He trades differently though.
Oh. I mean, hey, as long as you're profitable, that's all that matters.
So he lost his job? No, he quit. Do you have any other sources of income besides trading? Absolutely. No, I have businesses where I create jobs for other people.
But you're like the middleman, or?
Middleman? No, I have businesses that I own. And I employ,
Okay.
and then I employ people, which creates jobs, which in turn stimulates the economy.
Like,
If so facto, I'm an economy stimulator. You're welcome, everybody. I just created some taxpayers.
Good shit.
you're creating
Need
wealth.
help.
Better get a thank you from the IRS for creating some taxpayers. What do you think about it, John? We can't go there. I'm trying to monetize my stream. We can't. Fucking YouTube will be like, delete, delete, delete.
How much for an ounce?
Oh man. You entered? No, I clicked delete. I did not enter. We're gonna look for entries right now at 9 a.m. after the 4-hour closes.
Are you looking to take a 4-hour trade on gold?
Yeah, that might be a possibility.
You're looking to correct the whole move, or?
Well, let's look at it this way. I don't think we're correcting this whole... Oh, wait. I don't think we're correcting this whole thing right here today. But I don't understand what the fuck this gap is about. What? Daily held support, broke the previous day, and we got a lot of range here to fill. Might not be today, but I think by the end of the week, we'll fill it. We broke the previous day. If we close like this today above here, I think we're gonna have a bottom wick and drive up again tomorrow.
Will you enter if this candle doesn't make a new lower wick for this 30-minute? Because like that's 550 pips.
So over here, like I said yesterday, the 4 hour is a long time frames, right? So it's not just going to be a 4 hour wick and flip. It's going to be a 4 hour that we're going to see reflected on the smaller time frames. Either an hourly closure, maybe a 30 onion, maybe closure above range, but we're going to see it reflected here right now. What we just did here was create a new range, right? So I'm not necessarily going to look for a bottom wick on to break this previous 30 to come up, but I'm going to look for something here. Let me just show you guys understand what's going on. This was the higher time frame zone. This is the lower time frame zone. Do you enjoy streaming? Yeah, why not? It's cool. I'd rather do this than trade on my own. I'd rather kick it, vibe out, than trade on my own. So I like being on downstreams, but like I vibe out with them. I enjoy their train of thought. Don, Marcos. Hey, hold on. Let's keep it on. Raja on a losing streak, worse than your first five losses in a row on stream. Every trade the past week took was a weak entry and straight stop loss. Hold on. I took 4. Let's keep it 100. I took 4 losses, not 5. But then we're on a winning streak right now, right? We're on a 3.
I took 5 losses.
Give me a break.
But now we've won what? 4 trades in a row, 3 trades in a row.
For me, I'm like 6 in a row, but then you guys, that's not on stream, so really irrelevant. Not on stream yet.
Yeah.
Friday was a winner. Friday was big runner, 70 pips. Monday was a winner. Yesterday, yeah, Monday. Yesterday was a winner. And Raja is a great trader, absolutely. There's nobody that disputes that. Shit. Oh, goddamn.
Yeah. I'm on a 7-win streak right now.
Yeah, if Raja loses fucking, 100 trades in a row, I've seen him trade, so he's a
he knows his shit.
good trader. Yeah, like you've seen him build his account. He's a good trader. Like there's many
People
that
talk too much about him.
there's
Like,
many. Yeah, go ahead.
sorry, like who in the world did manage to flip his account like from 50K to like 3 million in like 11 months, not even 1 year, and I like 9 months he stopped even risking 1%. Every
I don't
time he
know.
showed his terminal, it was like 0.05. Like, you can't talk shit about him.
I got no comment. Absolutely not.
And I'm pretty sure his account grew to 5 million.
But it doesn't. Let me tell you something. It doesn't matter. None of it matters. He's a good trader, yes, but none of it matters. None of it matters, right? Because it matters to him, and what matters.
Yeah.
You can't be like,
That's
oh,
the only person
like
that
you know,
matters.
it's like seeing rich people at the mall, like, oh, somebody getting out of a nice car. Like none of that shit matters when it comes to you, right?
He just
Like,
showed like consistency and like good mental gets you there. Like always risking 1%. Like you can get there.
yeah,
1 or 2 trades a
yeah,
day.
you can
Like,
do
he
it.
just
That's the
showed that.
thing. I truly believe it can be done, and I don't care for anyone that says, like, maybe this shit isn't for you. Like, maybe it isn't for you, but like, don't tell me it can't be done. Like, everyone can do it. I've seen the smallest, most obtuse minds make money here. So it can be done. All right, we got 2 minutes till this 4-hour closure. Okay. Hmm. Shit. Daily is bear, right? 4 hours holding.
If you get a closure below 162.4 on GJ and you break the 4-hour lows, I might take sells after the 30-minute closes.
Yeah. That's what I
But
was thinking.
yeah, only if you
But the
break the 4-hour
4-hour
lows.
did close respecting the support at 162,500. So you really got to make sure we break the lows for it to be valid.
I have a buy stop sheet on gold.
Yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops here as well. Trading looks so different. Yeah, so we did come down, make a bottom wick, right? For this 30 that we were talking about. Now if we flip,
Yeah, I have my stop.
if we flip, we're gonna fill the rest of this wick. I'm gonna have a buy stop here. With the fundamental, wait, how the fuck? The 1 hour breaks, no positions. I'm gonna, so hold on, what is this here?
Are you going to put your buy stop a bit above the 30-minute support or like the flip of the 4-hour?
I don't like all these wicks here. Hold on. What is the one? Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna have current candle stops and I'm gonna go half risk here.
I got mine at like 1831.90.
I feel slippage. No?
Possibly.
I feel nothing. Feel like my ass is gonna be out of here fairly quick today.
Yeah. Yeah, especially if you have to leave in 25 minutes.
Let's see. I'm getting almost in.
Yeah, really close. 2 pips.
It's only the first 5 minutes of the 4 hour. Like 4 hour could definitely come back down, make a steeper wick.
Mm-hmm.
X always out of pocket.
Alright.
Oh, wait. Go break even here at 15.
JXDR. There.
I'm in. What? Who's in?
Are you
Who's
in?
in? You're in, Wix?
Navman. No, it's Navman is in.
Oh. Yeah, I was gonna put it right at, the break of the high at like 1831.70, but I was like, I'm gonna give myself 2 pips just because I don't want to get entered if it just, touches and does this.
Gold, I'm typically around 3 pips above price.
3 pips above? Okay.
Dubs only? Like, probably. Do I remember? Remind me, where are you from? Like Don's first stream or something? From beginning of Devious? Okay, you're .89. I think I'm .89 too on my broker.
Yeah. I'm 31.89.
At 90. 1 pip up.
have no bottom wick on the hard edge. If you get activated, you might come down a bit. Close.
Can I get in? It was really close. And I'm in.
Are you? Let's see.
Oh, I'm in.
Okay. Yeah. And we are driving here. We drive in here.
Yep, I'm moving subs to break even already.
Yeah.
Me too.
It's 11 pips. You guys go break even. Close half at, let's see, at, right.
I'm closing half.
Nah, yeah. 13.
I got slipped, but nothing.
People got slipped?
I got
I got
slipped,
slipped 0.04. It's nothing. It's
yeah.
minor. Oh, that's not
and
break even.
and I'm out at break even. That was the trade.
11 and BE. Alright guys, I didn't that sucked, you know why that sucked?
Yeah.
I didn't put this on the I didn't put our fuck. Wait, that's the wrong one.
If they're on the stream, they can hear it.
It's alright.
Yeah.
So we just got oh man. I pressed close at 11.
Yeah.
I got like 9.8. That's bullshit.
Yeah, I got like 8.
So basically 10 pips. So 10 pips and break even here. Chat. So that's our winning streak continues. That's 4 in a row. Fuck, I really thought this was gonna run more.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Only thing that scared me is that
It might.
that
Here's the thing. It's only like the first, like I said, 15 of the 4 hour, first few minutes of the 4 hour. So if we didn't run, we might end up coming back making a much steeper wick for the 4 hour.
For a
And
second, it
you don't
looked
want to
like
be in
it.
there. Yeah, the way it was moving, but you have to understand advantage points, right? We know there's a nice level
yeah,
here.
there was
Like
a
I said, we're
massive resistance
gonna
there.
go break even here, but you know, you guys went break even at 10. I tried to close at 13. I was like, no. Then I seen it pop a little back. Then I'm like, if it drives back, it's not worth it. So I closed at 11. Got like 9.8. It drove back, and now if it rebreaks its own low, it's gonna make a steeper wick for the 4 hour.
Yeah.
But you'd rather not
Now I'm
sit in the
looking at-
drawdown. We really wanted that first push.
Yeah.
We got
And
it.
we got
I
it.
mean,
It
we-
came back down. We spoke about this earlier. You guys spoke about it too. Coming back down, making a steeper wick for the 30, making a wick for the previous 30. Came down, did it. So
It was doubly overall.
Yeah.
I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Oh man. W2
I'll
pips? Who
tempt
the
GJ later.
No,
That's
you had to have more than 2 pips. We had 13 on there.
Unless they like manually entered what like after it pushed.
It's all right.
Let's
We've
go.
matched Don's output for the day. Oh no, I think he's spanked London.
Yeah, we took a dub in London.
.89.
I'm just gonna wait for this GJ closure, and if you don't break the 4-hour lows, I'm not gonna get in.
Yeah, it has
And
to
I'm gonna
break
wait
the
for it
4-hour
FOMC.
lows and then it has to close below like
This
0.425.
This thing might end up ranging here till FOMC as well.
Yeah, it could.
So, I think
Really
2 p.m. I think if you're in the signal group, look out for signals. There might be some, like maybe 3.
Yeah.
233.
Maybe 3.
Okay, like, cause yeah, I think Don likes for the news to settle down. Maybe 233. I think he said he was gonna be looking at
He
FOMC.
said it in New York Disc that he was gonna wait, and he probably
FOMC.
was gonna have positions before and after.
I got you.
Yeah.
Interesting.
But I think, yeah, this was the trade he wanted to take. I don't know.
Did he
Maybe
take
this
it?
was the trade he wanted. I don't know. I don't have signals, but I'm just guessing. It made sense for
Hold
me.
on.
It has to make sense for him.
Hold on, I'm gonna go look.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he said, I believe we will have a push before FOMC at 2 p.m. around 9 to 12. I don't know what that time is.
Yeah. Well, we see we took advantage of this little zone here, and look, it's re-breaking its lows again. Yeah, that was the trade. We wanted this push up. We got the push, but it didn't go as far as we wanted. I thought it was going to fill this whole wick, but we took advantage of what we could. Now I think we might come back in range, come down, wait for FOMC. If there's positions done, we'll call them out. So that's the advantage I have in the signal group, because you know there's not always a stream, there's not always a place to kick it, vibe out. But it's dope, all 300.
But it's always so good to be connected.
We're on a 4-day winning streak. We had 70, 19, 13, and today we had 10.
Yeah. I think there
That's
was
it.
110. I thought there was 110.
Somebody might have caught
Yeah,
100. I caught 70 on Friday on the stream with you guys. And then I think I hit break even. It might have went to a 110, but it came all the way to. I closed 75 at 70, and weeks you do 5-day split or 3 days, 5 days.
Yeah, that was Monday. 110 pips.
Yeah, some people got more. Some people closed out at 110.
Yeah. I think I closed out at like 60, 70.
Yo, drop a like, subscribe. I gotta mention it at least once a stream. Somebody told me you gotta ask for a like and a subscription for at least once a stream. So
yeah.
drop a like and subscribe. And another day, another win. We're 3-0 this week. We're on a 4 winning streak, and we'll see you tomorrow. We got 2 more. What's today? Today's Wednesday, right? Yep. We got 2 more days of Wix 9, and then you're getting back your regular scheduled programming. You're getting your teacher back. The sub.
Are you thinking about streaming this
leaving.
FOMC?
No, I won't be streaming. I just I got plans that I'd rather do today and take care of them, so I can have a lot of time tomorrow and Friday, because it just makes sense. If I got shit to do today, I'm just gonna pack my day out with everything I need to do. All right, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Thank you for the stream. Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming in here. Oh, you know who we missed today? Wow, that's it. Naked HD. He was the most consistent dude ever. What happened? He fell off. Must have blew his account. Naked HD, we missed you. Love you, bye. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hasta la pasta.
Have a great day. Peace out, yo.
See ya.
Later.